Who's driving?
They're over there. We're just some of the people they almost hit. Like
Okay.
this little girl.
Driving?
No. These two women.
Driving? Speak English?
Yes.
Okay, what happened?
I'm not sure. I was the driver, and they kind of stopped us, and they said that we almost hit a child. I didn't think that we did, but that's what they told us. I just thought that we got stuck in the water. We were just trying to get out of it, but that's what they told us, and we're just trying to...
And then there was so many
We're just
people.
trying to be accepted through everything and not
And there was so many
be
people.
illegal.
Yeah, well, the people are down here because you can't drive on this part of the beach.
I'm so sorry. We were driving from New Smyrna and we got over here. And
We were just trying to turn around. We didn't think that we could do a U-turn around here, so we were just trying to keep going.
Let me go look in the car real quick.
I'm so sorry.
So who was driving? You or
I was
you were driving?
Yes.
No,
I didn't think that we could do a U-turn. I thought we had to keep going.
Well, there's no driving at all over here.
I'm so sorry. We were driving from New Smyrna.
I know.
I really
But where
am
those
so
rocks are
sorry.
and those poles that say no vehicles, there's no driving beyond
We
that.
have a sticker that says that we were parking like on the beach. We weren't.
Right.
So I take full responsibility of it.
Did anybody get hit?
This one right here. Who is inches away from hitting her.
Anyway, we got it too.
Okay.
On their car to stop.
I was beating their phone.
Going, NASA, hey, be careful! Whoa, shoot!
Yeah.
Shit, man!
She was so fast.
Yeah, I've read all the comments and stuff. All right, well, did anybody get hit? Who got hit?
Oh, nobody.
Yeah, it's the police. They
They're
don't
almost.
Really close, so recklessly driving and stuff like that. Okay. Did she get hit? Okay. All right, I'm asking because if we need rescue, I can get rescue started.
Oh, no.
I'm not trying to start a fight with people.
No, ya se echó para atrás. Ya se echó para atrás y ya.
You have your license on you?
Yes, I do. It's in my phone, but it's in the car.
I would get your phone out of there. Your car's not going to be moving for a while.
Okay, can I get it?
Yeah, go get your license and your phone.
Do you have your ID with you as well?
Well, my ID's in there. I'm not holding this. I even have my Omni card in there. Is the tag gonna get bigger and longer that car? I have your phone.
Oh, everybody's on Air 1.
Cell phone, right?
Yes. Yes, and good. I'm sure that everybody that almost hit ruined their day too.
And then everybody's like,
Copy. It's just you two in the car?
and we were driving from New Smyrna.
Yeah. Remember those really big poles? Every one of them has a sign that says do not cross here, do not pass.
We weren't trying to. We were just trying to get out of here. I'm sorry.
I am so sorry.
Just relax.
I'm so sorry. And we weren't driving like
Do you have your ID?
yeah. My ID's in the car.
Yours is in the car? Is there anything you want in that car before the water gets in there? Because we can't move it. It's stuck. You know, you understand that. No tow truck can get back here or anything else.
So what do we do to get that car out?
Wait till the tide goes down. It's gonna be about 6 hours.
Okay, so can we tell y'all what we need from the car now?
Yeah, get what you need. I mean, I wouldn't grab umbrellas or nothing, but if you got like bags or something, grab those.
All right.
Go and grab those real
You
quick.
need my ID too?
Yes.
Okay.
Anything you don't want to leave for the ocean, I would take out of the car. Silent call, silent. Okay. Do you smell the alcohol? Oh, yeah. Okay.
One on top.
Yes, on her I do. What about the driver?
I can talk to the driver. There's no way you would drive over here right now.
I don't want to do field sobriety right here.
Damn.
Watch your back. I'm sure the batteries are all dead. Hey, Todd. Hey, it's all... So nobody got hit, and it's really close. There's no way I can do field sobriety where I'm at. I'm going to have to hook her for DUI and just maybe do it somewhere else. Yeah, they reek of it. What I want to do is talk to her a little bit more. She's probably going to do it for DUI. Talk to Little Riding. What's your first name? Yes.
Okay.
So you've been drinking today.
Yeah.
Number one, not good because you're diabetic. Right?
Yeah.
How about you?
I did have a drink, yes.
Okay.
It
Just
was
one?
early.
But you know
Okay,
what?
yes.
My only part is in the back part, and I can open the back part.
Okay, you can try
Do you
to
have
get
more?
what you need.
Do you have more at home?
I have more at home, but not here.
Okay. Do you have a way to get home?
I'm not going home without her.
She's gonna go to jail. Okay?
No.
Alright, so you can go with her, or you can stay out and get her out of jail with a bond.
And why am I going to jail?
So right now I think you're driving under the influence.
Okay.
Alright?
No.
Then we got reckless with multiple people over here. You were inches away from multiple people. Okay?
I can't have her.
So your best thing to do for her, instead of fighting with us and arguing
No,
with us,
I will not.
I'll tell you what her bond is. It's probably going to take us a good hour to do the paperwork, and then try to bond her out.
No, I'm not going to argue with you.
Okay.
I'm not an arguer person.
Okay.
I will never argue with you.
So what are we doing right now? You disagreeing with me?
What?
You disagreeing with me?
I'm not going to
Okay.
agree with you. I'm telling
All right, sir.
you.
Go ahead and turn it up on it. Jump me back.
Oh my God, please.
Yes. Sorry.
What do I do now?
Call the Volusia County branch jail to get her bond. It's not fit. She'll have a bond.
You can bond her out.
I will, but what do I do now?
Call someone and have them come pick you up.
Are you diabetic or anything?
No,
Are you hurt from any of this?
no, sir.
Okay. Do you have anything on you that we need to know about?
You need to call someone to come pick you up.
All right. Do you want your phone to go with you? Or you want her to hang on to it?
It doesn't matter.
Yes,
You can take it with you, or I can give it to her.
Just go ahead and call Connie. Just call Connie. You can go ahead and give it to her. She'll call my husband.
Okay. It's the Volusia County branch. It's the Volusia County branch down on Daytona Beach. It's the Volusia County branch down on Daytona Beach. That's where she'll be. She'll get all the free phone calls she wants while she's in booking. Her bond's only gonna be $1,000, so 10% is $100. All right.
I will get her out.
Okay.
I can't.
So I'm gonna go get her in my car.
No, please.
No, this.
Just do
I'm
whatever
just
you
telling you
have
what's
to do.
happening.
What do I
Just
do?
go ahead and
What
call
do I do?
Connery,
You
okay?
got her for a minute.
Just I'll call her.
All right, come on.
I'm gonna arrest you.
That's fine.
You okay?
Yeah?
All right.
Okay. I'm not trying to cover.
No. Oh. Yeah, I'm sorry about your car, but
That's okay.
no tow trucks will come down here until that tie's gone.
That's okay. I'm not trying to hurt.
I mean, nothing.
No,
I'm gonna get a
sir.
female to search you here in a little bit.
Don't hurt.
Nothing in your bra or anything?
No.
Okay.
Am I going the right side here?
Yes.
Okay.
Let me get it started.
How do I get in?
Just like that. Climb up. There you go. I'll get the AC turned on for you.
Do I see all or am I okay?
No, you're okay right now. We're not moving yet.